I'm going to be doing a bit of work this week, and I thought I'd just kind of log every day to see how it goes. I'm going to do this bathroom. So well, this is my bathroom. I've had it a good 10 years. It's a bit dirty and disgusting. So it's got a lot of damp down there, a lot of stuff leaking down behind the thing. It's very cramped. It's all jammed together, and I just want to obviously get it completely stripped out. I'm going to trick the bath. I'm going to put a shower in here, so I'm going to put a shower in this corner here, and over here where we've got the toilet and the sink, I'm going to put the sink over onto the wall there. I'm going to completely dry line the whole room and insulate it, and also I'm going to take the roof off as well. This roof here is, well, the ceiling there's no insulation above the ceiling, so that's going to come off as well. My neighbour's kindly lent me his STS drill, so there's going to be no problems there. I'm going to be doing the plumbing, and we do electricity, and obviously move the shower over to the wall over there. And the extractor fan's going to be moved over here somewhere when I get a chance, and I'm going to pull straight out of the shower unit, which is going to be around here somewhere. So hopefully come along with me as I have my week off on holiday during hard labour, as you do. So there we are. Okay, I'll give you an update later on. So I'm making progress. I started taking the wall off here. Just excuse the fan there. It's a mixture. I mean, up here is all falling off, and down here is all built up and stuff. And here the wall's a bit bitty, but I'm just getting down to the bare brick now. But a bit of a surprise. This wall here used to be a straight wall, but then I found that there's an extra wall here. Oh, well, I don't know whether that's an extra wall or not, but what the previous owner has done, they stuck dab and dotted two layers of plasterboard straight onto the wall there to fill it up. With my knowledge in the construction industry, that's not a good idea, because plasterboard is hydroscopic, and what's been happening, as you can see up here, the walls actually started falling away because this stuff has been absorbing all the moisture. So I thought this is a good thing, because I'm getting rid of it now, but also I'm going to get an extra almost 1.5 inches of wall there, a bit of space, so I can stick. I'm going to stick a radiator back there, so that radiator will be a bit more in the wall a bit. Here, I don't know what's going to go on down here. I don't know whether this is a wall or not yet, but we'll soon see. But yeah, at the moment I'm just going to take all this shitty stuff off. This shouldn't be like this at all. It's a bodge job, as they would call it in the UK. So I'm going to carry on. There's some concrete scrum on the top here. This is being a bit awkward. But I've only been going about half an hour, and it's not too bad. So we'll see how it goes. One, obviously, I hit the back wall, and the back wall is actually breeze block, and I started hacking away into it there. So hopefully I haven't structurally damaged the building much, but I've tried to keep it back a bit now and just tried to skim it straight off. So down there it's not too bad. But what happened here is they've actually done a concrete render, and then they skimmed plaster over the top. I don't really think you should have this type of stuff in a bathroom. I mean, fair the people have painted it, but what happens is that it actually sucks all the moisture in. So, but consulting the old books and things, I don't think it's such a good idea. Anyway, I'm taking it straight back to the. I'm taking this render off, so I want the wall even, and I'm most likely going to batten straight onto this now as it is. Over the side here, I've taken the old shower off. I need to take these connectors up. It's going to reuse these. And yeah, that's the old shower. It's just obviously knocked into the wall. So that's going to go. Sink's gone. And yeah, I'm just generally hacking away. I need to take the extractor fan off. I have to do a bit of wiring there and unplug that. And yeah, the rest of the shower's gone too. So I'm going to pack it in for the day. some interesting things. Looks like there used to be a extractor fan here. People here decided to like poke some bricks into the wall just to fill it in there. Bits of concrete falling away here. I'm going to render this a little bit just to fill the gaps in. So I've got to take this out and actually make it good in some way or form. These blocks here, which may be supposed to be on a kind of load-bearing wall, don't seem to be doing much work. Need to clear a bit more around here. I am going to clear right up to this wall and leave this wall here alone. It's pretty good, it's not that bad. I might have to take some of the, I don't know whether I'll take the tiles off or not, but I'll think about that at a later date. There's a drain there which is going to be used for that sink what used to be there, and also can be used for the shower. I better block that out with red paper. Take an extractor fan out, got to clear all the way across here and up to there, and that'll be me done. Oh, and then, well, we're going to do that first thing tomorrow morning. That should take about maybe about half an hour's work, and then I'll take all the roof off, seal off, and then we can get access to the roof space. Maybe a few trips to the tip. I think I've done 2 trips so far. This is another one, and then there will be about another 3 tomorrow most likely to get rid of all this plasterboard. And then so the plan for tomorrow is to get some insulation into the attic and get it all ready for Monday when the plasterboard's arriving. Oh, just come back to me. So that's it so far. I think hopefully I'm going to get this room completely cleared by end of today. Maybe I might have a little bit hanging over tomorrow morning. Yes, plasterboard's arriving on Monday, and I'll need to get some some stud work to start doing the walls, but I may actually see if I can get some metal stud work for this wall here, because it's a bit of an awkward one. So we'll see. May even be looking towards the end of the day on Monday. I'm looking at doing first fit of the electrics and the water, but I'm a little bit behind schedule at the moment, so I'll have to see how it goes. So I might need to do a bit of rendering on the walls here to fill a few of these holes I've made myself to make the wall semi-good. And so I might need to actually extend my my relief a little bit if I'm running over, but might actually make up time in a week. Right, bye.